Menteri Rangba kejala CONRAD ke sangma hakisne palai jong katayau uloong baka sarkar jala kadang ya yale teng ban khanglat eka kamti do yong bean hendrai kelamat eka jing namar ke jing yar ba ke jing buon palat ke jakati do yong halor ke jing kam ke seng BJP bahakasnem arajar arpupra kan bat ya ulakam sensar Meghalaya CONRAD ulong baman la ke Seng Saiñ Pyrthei ki don ka hok ban kren kat bamon hendrai Paidbah unsa iaka ha kaba Khadduh.
Habakran nikela patai kubor halor ke jingkam ke BJP bahakasnem arajar arpupra ke BJP kan bat ulakam ke sensar ha kejela. Menteri Rangba kejela CONRAD kongkal sangma ulong maman la ke seng dan kahok ban kren ni ke bakimon bakane kedai ke baha ke bakiyo akariki sensar Paidbah. Ula pensyai bawa lagi seng ila ban kam kat bamon ndai ke bakut Paidbah hi uban aya ke rai ke Khadduh. Habal keli halor ke jing syarem no ke NPP ha kejela Asam Menteri Rangba ula kentat bandon kanu-kanu babakla. Ndai ula penpau bak NPP kam syamlakan randian ban persyang wad padang kijing Ulai nuksai kejela Manipur ha ke bakla sedang tang bat ki arngut ki beriau. Ndai kata kalau long kejing sedang jong kelenti ke bajalan. Ula penpau bak kebedan kam kadai bandon kejing silur ban cemigi senjam wala kejing kejing Nama kata kadai kesaki jong kejing lam ke baklan. Wala ke Asam kalau long kejing kun ke bae ulong pat bakane kam syamla pendam ke NPP. Bat kit nom sange ban cemigi senjam banang kambet ha ki singi ke banwan. Ha ke bae dai bak kejing rong u Dr. DRL Nonglad ha ke seng NPP. Menteri Rangba kejela ula kentat bakane kadon kanu-kanu kejing temu ban penlong kam Saiñ Pyrthei ya kapang ke bedai bak ketian khasi. Ulong bak NPP ke syemekane kum kesengi ke ban sakan mau ban peneso kejing mot bergitong ke bedai kum ke bayadai ke riti ke dostor bak kejing sengutu jeng ijat ben riu ritpat. Ulero u Dr. DRL Nonglad ubala penlet kejing embarok kawai hakane ketong bat usngo bakane kejing so ke bapura ban penpriang ya ke kubor bak kejing elap baneda ya ke tenrai jong kejela. Habal keli halor kal air jongga VPP. CONRAD kongkal sangma ulong bagi NPP kam jusyem ya kanu ki election kum gebasuk bagi jusyem kia ban pen kreatif kena bani kunteng banyo kejing job akal Lok Sabha ka bani election steng samoy. Rangkat kejing tri shitom kum bagi jule man la kapor.
No, any party can say anything. That is their desire. There's no problem. Anybody can give any statement. So they're free to give their statements. But at the end of the day, it is the people who will decide. And it is the numbers that decide. We have seen the numbers in the past. And, and every party, as I said, is free to obviously organize. So it's okay. I mean, every party has a right, democratic right to say what they want. I have no comments.
So what went wrong with NPP there in Assam?
Nothing went wrong. What was important to note is that we don't shy away from giving a shot. We have the courage to move forward. In many locations, I remember in Manipur when we first started off, we got 2 people who joined us. And that's how every long journey starts with the first step. I think what is important is to have the courage to be able to take that step in spite of all challenges and the difficulties that one may face. I think that's what determines an organization and that's what determines leadership. For us, yes, we had a very difficult phase in Assam, but that doesn't deter us. I think what's important is we have taken the courage and taken the step forward, and more importantly, we will learn from the situation that unfolded and make sure that we improve and become better in the future. This is what Dr. Nonglait has been doing throughout his life and career to protect that. This is the objective of the government, and we feel that it's a perfect combination and a perfect teamwork to be able to take our concerns, our position and our vision and our fight further so that we're able to achieve the different goals that we want. All elections are difficult. I've always maintained this from day one whenever you have asked me any question about any election. So we don't take anything lightly. For us, every single party that is there which is going to contest is a formidable force for us. That's how we always prepare, and we will ensure that we will do our best. We work hard so that we can win this coming Lok Sabha by-election.
Menteri Rangba kejelau CONRAD kongkal sangma ulapan pawa ke sarkar jela kadang ya yelek teng ban khanglat ki kam ti do yong bean. Wala kejeng ke bakrau kalong halor kejeng don bon ki jakati do yong ki badan hakitan ki bambiang ger kompaniat. Kani kejeng kren Menteri Rangba kelong hadian baka kenhun bishar balak liek dau justice bala syong tad BP kataki kelai ya ka report ka balai punyo ka bakado baka kamti bat kit do yong bean ka ngai beteng ha ka jela watla don ki jingmana na ka yeng shari Supreme Court ka High Court bat ka National Green Tribunal kat kum ka kai pod u justice kataki ka long ka basngo shirkai namar layo ban kurup kumba kat prahajar saus pa nyup kundai point pra arndrew metric ton udo yong bat sau punyo teliki kali kentup lang ba kitiar ti do yong ki bahe u menteri rangba ula pensyai baka kenhun sensyar kaya kendo jeng namar ke jeng yar baka jeng bon palat ki jaka ti do yong Hagaba ula keno bawat lada ke sorkar ke petngor ya ka san hajar lani hendrew hajar teliki jaka penban kidang don kumba kat san hajar teliki wei pat ki jaka ke ba ben petngor ula penis riam ya kene ke jeng kumba kalong ka jeng yak sat hagaba anda ki he sorkar ki lalit pet ya ka wei kathan ki nong ti do yong bian ki sedang ha ka wei pat kathan wala ka kai pot ka kedo ba kadang don ke jeng ti do yong ka ba thamai ba ke jeng penan kam ya ki tiar pen bethei kumu gelatin stick bat ki detonator CONRAD kongkal sangma ula kentat di kejing kenok baka sarkar baka syusyong that bat ka klam lei ye uli tho baka sarkar kelapun kan ria awat gid khot ke bor sensyar nagi bagi district ban penklan ya kejing parah ke jaka badan ke doyong ula pen scam ro baka sarkar ke dan kejing kit kliek ke bapura ban pentre kam ki hukum ki yang syari bat ban khanglat sendon ini kambean ki bakta ya kamariang
that there are large number of mines. Just East Jente Hills alone has 22,000 mines. That is there in the report itself, and therefore, with the whatever administration that we have and manpower we have, even though we say focus on 5,000 or 6,000 locations and areas at one go, there are still 15,000 which becomes difficult for us to do. As soon as we shift from those 5,000 to go to other 5,000, then back in the first 5,000 which we were monitoring, activities could start. So it's not as simple as it sounds. What is important is that we are committed, we are sincere in our efforts. The administration is working overtime. We have shifted manpower from other districts to that district to help them and support them in this, and we will continue to ensure that all steps are taken from the government side so that all the rules, regulations and orders from the government, from the court are adhered to.
U Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya u CONRAD kongkal sangma ulapan pau kejing sokhya halor kejing bam shimkhya ki katukani ki Seng Saiñ Pyrthei ki baklamwan sha ka jingyalang jong borok Seng Saiñ Pyrthei ne ka all party meeting kabal khot ke sarkar man ha ka hendru truk jemang baneta halor ka kai phat ka expert committee halor ka reservation policy haba kren bakila pathai khubor ha ka nyau truk jemang arajar arpun rio Menteri Rangba ulong bagalong badan kam ban pen urlong ya kabalakular ban ko ngo e kathong jong kariti sensyar Paidbah kawa ulukentu babaro kinong mi khmat ki ban buram ki kendon jong kariti sensyari ula kedau bagani ke jingkhot ya ke jingalang ke dehden ke jingdawahi jong khot ke liang persya ha ke yang dorbar tauan banetai sani lor ka kai pot ke baulawan ra akarensan yang dorbar ndrei kelong bas ngosi pat bani bakat ba ulabat elaka kular ke bakhot ya baro kidan pat kiseng ke baken tat banwan da ke ba ai daw dagi wai pat kimat Menteri Rangba ula pencai bahak kesensyar Paidbah kerensan menetai kimat kebakta Paidbah bagi jela ke kerensan juga yang dorbar. Dan iki jingelang ki berhenti kumba la penbit penbiang da keriti sensyar. Omde ban cumi Ramadan ni surok halor man ka wei pekawai kamat kam tam lara ke sorkar kelap plelat plelenti bane keren hapok ke rukom trekam kaan. Ula ban rap bakalong ke bakongsan ban penbet jingmut tikena ha ka dei bakano kono kamat bat ban cie migi kabu ki badan ban penbet ki jing bakane ka jingelang ke deka kabu ke bakrau ban pensngau ki jingmut halor ke bahak thungkam. La ban kedau bahak ke jingelang all party meeting balakot benetai halor ka kai pot jang reservation policy. Ka VPP ka klamwan jeng ke jingelang wala ka deka seng ka balami syakmat bandawa penkelai ke reservation policy. Baik ke balapan paru ke jing bam sngoho ne ka kai pot jong ke expert committee.
Based on that, during the debate and discussion when I had laid the report of the expert committee, that certain political parties from the opposition had demanded that an all-party meeting should be called to discuss this matter in detail, which is what I did. I gave a commitment and assurance to the House, and I went ahead with my assurance and called all the parties. But as I said, certain political party informed me that they will not be able to come because they have other issues, important issues that need to address. So what is important is when we are looking at an issue, then we must go all out for what we believe in. We have to take the options. This meeting was very important because in a constitution, in a government, in a democratic parliamentary democracy, these are the platforms in which you take up these issues and these matters. And it's not that we go to the streets for every single issue. especially when opportunities are being given in a democratic manner and constitutional manner to take up the matter and issue. And it's sad that certain political parties, though demanded it, but ultimately did not come for it.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni? Ba, ka hospital tinggal aja kan nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni Khadduh nda de por kamu.
Sister, hapsi ukat no ma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka bakordor.